Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the Headless Horseman can do in Grow a Garden. I just got it today actually. I was just opening some eggs and lo and behold, I finally got it. So basically, its passive abilities is that every 20 to 40 minutes haunts a random level 25 to 50 pet without a mutation, resetting it to level 1 and bestowing one of 4 chaotic mutations. We have Dreadbound, Soul Flame, or Spectral with a rare of 6 to 12% chance for a nightmare mutation. So let's take off Reaper maybe, and I'm just going to place that there. I really like the wolf ability. I know that's like a different topic, but yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.